Hey, welcome back. On this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets really quickly before diving into some of the charts for Yearn Finance, YFIUSD. Today is December 5th, Saturday, and I'll be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're now giving away 4 free stocks now instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets first. Very quickly, I'm going to do a rundown of Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action because I have already mentioned it in my past 2 posts. If you guys do actually want to see my post in more detail about what I said in Bitcoin price action and dominance, you guys can check out my post on Bitcoin today. But Bitcoin dominance, currently I am eyeing the 3-day time frame because that price action is being supported immediately by the 3-day 21 simple moving average. If price action there does break below that 3-day 21 simple moving average on the Bitcoin dominance chart, I could expect Bitcoin dominance to continue trending down, that falling Browning wedge pattern on the weekly time frame. And if that comes true, that could mean better trading opportunities for altcoins. On Bitcoin price action, we are still seeing Bitcoin actually holding up pretty nicely about the 19K area. If Bitcoin price action stays consolidated or even make a higher move, I could still expect better trading opportunities for altcoins. Now, these two have to, Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action have to have the right combination for me to be more confident in trading altcoins. Now, let's dive right into Yearn Finance, YFIUSD. On Yearn Finance, yesterday I did mention the bullish and bearish case scenario. It does seem like the bullish case scenario is playing out as of what I said yesterday, even though it did continue down this falling wedge pattern for longer than I had predicted. Okay, so now the price action had actually broken out of this falling wedge pattern on the hourly time frame. That is most apparent, and the measured target of that breakout is about 30.7K. In between now and that level would be the major resistance at about 30K again, because we had fell right back down that 30K level, and now previous support is now resistance. So I could expect a pullback at the 30K level. Let's see how the bulls will continue to push this price through if they are able to. Now, there's something else I want to point out as well, which would be the daily time frame. If now that we actually have we had bearish divergence on the daily time frame, which caused that pullback right here, which signaled that pullback right here, and now the next move higher would just have to beat this RSI reading of just slightly above 71, which it's doable if we actually make a pretty significant move on the price action chart, because right now the RSI is about 64. So in order to beat the last RSI reading on the last high on the price action chart of 71, I don't think that's pretty difficult. I think that's pretty likely for the price action to do on the daily time frame. Now let's see if there's anything that could present bearish signs on the 3-day time frame. On the 3-day time frame, we do close in about 2 days. So nothing I'm too worried about yet, because we don't really see I don't see possible reading or even a comparison in about 2 days. So 2 more days until I can actually get a reading here on the RSI. But until then, I'm not too worried about the 3-day time frame. On the weekly time frame, I don't really have anything to compare it to on the RSI chart, so no possible bearish divergence here that I'm worried about. Now let's talk about the bullish and bearish case scenario for today. The bullish case scenario will obviously for the very short term, the price action to meet its measured target or even above, but do keep in mind measured targets may or may not be reached, and the major level of resistance here is still about 30K, okay? So the bullish case scenario for us to actually break back above 30K again and go towards this measured target of this small falling wedge. There's something I also want to note is that we still have not had a 3-day candle close above this 0.618 fib level on this retracement back up. So if we can actually get a 3-day and possibly even a weekly candle close above 30K, this tells me that the support here at 30K will be a lot more well established, and the likelihood of the price to continue going higher would be more likely. So that is something I'm looking for, a 3-day close and a weekly close above the 0.618 fib level at about 30K. Now the bearish case scenario for us to actually get rejected at the 30K level, and the next, so it will be if we actually do get rejected about the 30K level, I can expect more consolidation within this range between 30K and 25K, because these are going to be the major resistances and supports I'm looking at. So that is the bearish case scenario. If we actually do get rejected at this fib level at about 30K and not get that 3-day and weekly close, then it's possible and more likely that I can expect price action to continue within this interval of between 30K and 25K. Now this concludes my analysis and update on Yearn Finance. I hope you guys found it helpful. Let me know your feedback, agreements, disagreements. I would love to hear them. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.